Hey friends, the chopped Italian sandwich has been all over the internet in many different ways and many different forms, but not like I'm gonna do. I've tried to scour the internet to see if anyone's done this and I didn't find anything. So if you've done it or if you've seen other people do it, please let me know in the comments below. But in my neck of the woods, there's a little thing called a pepperoni ball. And you might be asking, like, what the hell is a pepperoni ball? Well, it's just a ball of Italian dough stuffed with pepperoni and then either fried or baked. My favorite ones are the fried ones. So today we're gonna take that same concept, but do the chopped Italian sandwich inside a ball and throwing them in the fryer and frying them up. And we'll see how it goes. Now, I've tried the original chopped sandwich and it was good. I didn't think it was so good that it should have been, that it warranted the viral craze that it had, but whatever. People like what they like and that's what they do. So you pick your ingredients. I don't think you can really go wrong. I mean, as long as you have some staples, I think you're good. So I've got some sandwich pepperoni, Virginia baked ham, and I've got some Cajun turkey that I'm throwing in mine, as well as some Genoa salami. I grabbed this iceberg garden salad mix because it's got the purple cabbage in it, it's got carrots, so it's got all that kind of stuff. I've got some fresh organic tomato from the garden, and I'm also gonna be tossing in some capers for a little bit of the vinegary pop as we're chewing through all that savoriness. And we've got our red wine vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, and then some pizza dough. So let's get going. Let's get choppy in. Look, to keep my wife's homegrown flowers in the shot a little bit, just for some ambiance. Let's just build this like we would a normal sub. You don't have to make it pretty like this, but you know, I feel like the sandwich artists out there might appreciate the effort. And you love it when they toss in the ham and it all breaks apart on you. Sandwich pepperoni. Now, I just got this Cajun turkey because it really sounded good. So I'm just gonna lay that in there like so. Bam. Now, I've seen people do provolone, which is cool, a lot of some other cheeses, but I like whole milk mozzarella. And I'm not gonna shred this because I kind of like the idea of having it in chunks. So I'm just going to put some big slices in it. Tomatoes. Okay, we'll just throw all this tomato in there. It's from the garden. It's delish. The lettuce mix. And I do think this part is important, even if you hate being a rabbit, you know, like the lettuce part of this sandwich, I think is actually pretty crucial because it's that extra bit of crunch and watery bite that I think it really needs. And now our capers. And I absolutely love capers. They've got that perfect amount of salt and just like a giant pop of flavor into anything you put them in. So, all right, let's chop. Extra virgin olive oil, a nice little drizzy, red wine vinegar. Beautiful. Wow, that smells great. We're gonna add a little pinch of salt and some fresh cracked pep. Ooh, I got an idea. I kind of want some spice, and this is from my friends at Burlap and Barrel. Not a sponsor, but they did send this to me, and it is delicious. So we're gonna add a little bit of red jalapeno in here. Just, boom, that should be perfect. Ooh, that smells good. Chop all of that deliciousness through. Okay, dough time. Take a nice healthy scoop, kind of roll this up like so. We'll kind of just form that into a little dough ball. Add a little cold water to get that dough to seal up. And just pinch and pull that a little bit until you get a pretty good seal. And there's our little ball, our little chopped sandwich ball. Chop ball. Chop balls of choppy balls. Okay, let's throw it in the fryer and see how it does. Good, we're about 330 degrees. Just gonna set it right in there. This won't take long. Starting to really pop. We might have some leakage. That's okay. Let's give it a flip. Oh yeah, we're cooking good. And we just wanna get this to go till it's perfectly golden brown all the way around. Let's go make more. Don't worry about misshapen dough, because you know what? We're turning it into a ball. Okay, friends, so we started with the chopped sando, and now we've got our perfect fried ball. Look at this big mama jama. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna give these guys a slice, but before we do, I'm just gonna give each ball just a little drizzle of olive oil, and then a little topping of pecorino romano. I am team pecorino all day long. Now, a big thing with these, do not throw these right in your mouth, okay? Give them a good 10 minutes to cool. I've made that mistake in the past. Trust me, you don't want to do that. And there's flowers. Okay. Nice little crispiness. Yes, ma'am. That is beautiful. I'm gonna let it cool for a little bit because it's still really hot, but I'm excited. So this has been an adventure. Whew. Bottoms up. Okay. Might I recommend you try this? Because that is so good. Oh, that's fun. The chopped ball. And just make these. You will be the hit of the party if you have chopped sandwich fried balls. Fantastic. I could have cooked this one a little bit longer, but still delicious. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of like a savory beignet. That is awesome. Well, friends, I'd love to know what you think of the fried chopped sandwich in ball form. Tell me down in the comments, you're gonna give this one a try. It's super easy. I mean, you chop up a bunch of your crap, you put it in some dough balls, and then you fry them. So not hard at all. Let them get golden brown, nice and crispy. Sprinkle them with a little pecorino romano or whatever you want to sprinkle them with. I don't care. I hope you give them a try. As always, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.